Exam Tricks Double Nine YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Now we are going to discuss about banking financial awareness 2021 SPI, IPPS, RRB, Reserve Bank of India, NTPC, SSC, CGL, TNPC, other competitive exams. ப்ளீஸ் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ண மறந்துடாதீங்க. அப்போ தான் நாங்கள் போகிற எல்லா வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு காமிக்கும். லெட்ஸ் பிகின் த கொஸ்டின் அண்ட் ஆன்சர். வாட் இஸ் த கோட் ஆஃப் லீகல் என்டிட்டி ஐடென்டிஃபையர் கோட்? 20-digit alphanumeric code. D-Lite app has been launched by which bank? Andhra Bank. Genu is an app of which bank? Punjab National Bank. Where is the headquarters of Indian Bank? Chennai. Where is the headquarters of Union Bank of India? Mumbai. Headquarters of National Investment and Infrastructure Fund is located at Mumbai. National Investment and Infrastructure Fund is located at Mumbai. Which bank has become the first private sector bank to sell Indian gold coins? First private sector bank to sell Indian gold coins? Federal Bank. What is the full form of FCCP? Foreign Currency Convertible Bond. Foreign Currency Convertible Bond. Which of the following institutions is responsible for the supervision of RRBs? NAFROD. With which article of the Indian Constitution is money bill related? Money bill related Article 110. DICGC stand for Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporations. Treasury bills are issued in India by Government of India. IMPS stand for Immediate Payment Service. World Investment Report is annually published by UNCTAD. In the field of banking, what does ADF stand for? Automated data flow. National Sample Survey Organizations NSSO is an organization under the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementations. What is the tagline of Standard Bank? Good enough will never change the world. Where is the headquarters of American Express Banking Corporations? Headquarters of American Express Banking Corporations, New York. What is the tagline of Citibank? Live richly. Where is the headquarters of Standard Bank? London. Where is the headquarters of Doha Bank? Qatar. What is the tagline of Royal Bank of Scotland? UK. What is the tagline of HSBC Limited Bank? The World Local Bank. What is the tagline of Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank? What is the tagline of Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank? Money can't buy ambitions. Indian banking sector is broadly classified into scheduled bank and non-scheduled bank. At present, how many public sector banks are working in India? 12 public sector banks. Chiller app is an app to make banking through your mobile simple and convenient. It is offered by which bank? HDFC Bank. In APR, expand the term or rate. Which was the first bank of India to provide mobile ATM? ICICI Bank. Expand the abbreviations or in ARC. Reconstructions. What is the full form of PLR? Prime lending rate. Expand the abbreviation NII. Net. Full form of MCLR is marginal dash fund based lending rate. Marginal cost fund fund-based lending rate. What is the full form of PSR? Basic statistical returns. Basic statistical returns. What is the full form of CTR? Corporate debt restructuring. Full form of PCF is Dash Committee on Banking Supervisions. Basel Committee on Banking Supervisions. What is the full form of FIPP? Foreign Investment Promotion Board. GTR stand for Global Depository Receipt. Global Depository Receipt. In ICAO, expand your abbreviations. What is the full form of ANPC? Adjusted Net Banking Credit. Adjusted Net Banking Credit. CTS stand for Check Dash System. Check Truncation System. In SWIFT to expand the term interbank. Expand the abbreviation R in RFID ratio. What is the tagline of SBI? National Bank on us. The tagline of UCO Bank is Experience Next Generation Banking. Good people to grow with is the tagline of which bank? Good people to grow with is the tagline of which bank? Indian Overseas Bank. Which of the following is the tagline of Punjab National Bank? A name you can bank open. Punjab National Bank tagline. Your own bank is the tagline of Indian Bank. What is its tagline? Union Bank of India. Good people to bank with. India International Bank is the tagline of which bank? India International Bank is the tagline of which bank? Bank of Baroda. What is the tagline of Canara Bank? Together we can. Canara Bank, together we can. Where Dash is way of life is tagline of Punjab Sind Bank. Service is a way of life is tagline of Punjab Sind Bank. What is the tagline of Bank of Maharashtra? X Parivar X Bank. What is the tagline of Bank of India? India International Bank. Bank of India. Build a better life around us is the tagline of which bank? Build a better life around us in the tagline of which bank? Central Bank of India. Where is the headquarters of State Bank of India? Mumbai. Who has been appointed as the chairman of State Bank of India? Rajneesh Kumar. Where is the headquarters of Bank of Baroda? Vadodara. Who is the present chairman of Bank of Baroda? Ashmukh Aditya Bank of Baroda. Headquarters of Canara Bank is located at Bangalore. Who has been appointed as MD and CEO of Canara Bank? Lingam Venkat Prabhu. Where is the headquarters of Central Bank of India? Mumbai. Central Bank of India, Mumbai. Who has been appointed as the MD CEO of Central Bank of India? Pallava Mahapatra. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Punjab National Bank? SS Mallikarjuna Rao. Which of the following is the dimension of new 500 rupee note? 66 into 150 mm. 66 into 150 mm. Which of the following is the base color of 2000 rupee note? Magenta. 2000 rupee note magenta. Which of the following is the dimension of 2000 rupee note? Dimensions 66 into 166 mm. Which of the following is the color of new 500 rupee note? Stone grey. Which of the following features on the reverse of 2000 rupee note? Mangalyan. Which among the following sectors contributes most to the saving in India? household sector. The Exim Bank of India was established in 1982. The headquarters of SWIFT is located in Le Halby, Belgium. Which of the following is the first regional rural bank of India? Pradhama Bank. Which of the following is a parent organization of UPI NPCI? Stockholding is a subsidiary of IFCI Limited. First four characters in the SWIFT code refer to bank code. SWIFT stands for Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications. Where is the headquarters of Paschim Banga Gramian Bank, Howrah, West Bengal? An Assets Reconstruction Company ARC in India associated with NPA. In Assets Reconstruction Company ARC in India is associated with NPCA. Which of the following is mainly used in the bank in order to meet the temporary requirement of cash on a daily basis? Call money. The Asian Development Bank has pared its Indian growth forecast for 2019-22 dash from 7.2% estimate earlier 7.0. Asian Development Bank. MICR code is a 9-digit code that uniquely identifies the bank and branch participating in an ECS. What is the full form of ECS? Electronic Clearing System. What is the minimum amount required to open a fixed deposit FD? Fixed deposit minimum amount 1000 rupees. National Housing Bank NHB, a wholly owned subsidiary of Government of India. What is the full form of STT? Security Transaction Tax. Security Transaction Tax. What is the headquarters of Bureau of Indian Standards? New Delhi. The regulator of mutual fund in India is CP. If the statutory liquidity ratio is increased, what will be the effect on bank credit situations? It will be reduced, not increased. It will be reduced. Next stand for repeat questions. World Investment Report is annually published by UNCTAD. A credit card gives you access to lender fund. With a debit card, you have to have money in your account. Dash and assessed, including a least assessed, becomes non-performing when it ceases to generate income for the bank. NPA and assessed, including a least assessed, become non-performing when it ceases to generate income for a bank. NPA. Dash is an electronic fund transfer system that operates on a deferred net settlement (DNS). Deferred net settlement basics with settled transactions in batches. NEFT is an electronic fund transfer system that operates on a deferred net settlement basic which settles transactions in batches. Which bank is best for NRI account? State Bank of India, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, all of the above. Answer all of the above. PIO stand for Person of India Origins. FATCA full form of Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act. Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act. What does S stand for? SNRR account sanctions. Regional offices. The regional offices of Reserve Bank of India in 27. Where is headquarters of CTPI? Lucknow. Dash is the process of stopping the flow of the physical check. Physical check issued by drawer at some point by the presenting bank and bank enrolled to the paying bank branch. Truncation is the process. Dash and CSE has launched a co-branded a small business money back credit card for small traders and villages level entrepreneurs. PLES, village level entrepreneurs. HDFC Bank. Thank you to all.